Ever wonder where your ad dollars really go? You're not alone. Most small businesses waste thousands on marketing that doesn't perform, and worse, they don't even know it. What if you could track your ad performance in real time, see exactly what's working, and know where to invest before wasting another dollar? Introducing the AI Marketing Workshop, free for small business owners. I've seen it myself. So many business owners, just like you, struggle to make sense of what's working and what's not. That's why we built a solution designed specifically for small businesses. Our AI-powered marketing workshop helps you create campaigns that update live so you can act fast, stay ahead, and grow smart. You'll leave with practical strategies you can apply immediately, even if you're not a marketing expert. And it's not just me. This isn't theory. It's strategy, execution, and data, backed by a full team of specialists. I'm Deepanshu, your guide to real-time performance dashboards and local ad tactics that get seen. Ritik helps brands grow visibility with SEO-powered content. Kirtan manages full-funnel campaigns from A to Z. Nabam brings AI-driven budget control and smart optimization. Harpreet makes sure you only pay for what you need, with scalable pricing. And Abhishek ensures your message reaches the right persona at the right time. Whether you're a retail owner, service provider, or agency partner, this 3-hour workshop will give you the tools to build, measure, and improve digital campaigns with clarity. Plus, when you register, you'll receive our exclusive checklist, Top 7 Metrics Every Local Business Should Track in 2024. No purchase required. Ready to take control of your marketing? Register for the AI Marketing Workshop today. It's 100% free, and it could change the way you grow forever. https://7.pssbdigital.k/ai-marketing-workshop-small-business/. Limited spots available. Save yours now.